Thank you for taking the time to watch this demo. In less than 10 minutes, you will get an excellent first impression of what the Poka solution can do for your organization. I already promise you that this short-time investment will be more than worth it. Poka is a web and mobile application that allows production companies to increase their productivity and the total level of performance. With Poka, employees can solve problems completely independently and learn continuously. Our demonstration starts with Jeff, an operator on the shop floor who needs to consult a work instruction or need help solving a problem he has never encountered before. For example, the case packer that does not pick up the product as it should. Instead of calling technical support and waiting for them to come by, Jeff can use an iPad to scan the strategically placed QR codes on the equipment to access all the information he needs in less than a second, and that in the language he prefers. The QR code takes you directly to the equipment page. This is the beating heart of Poka. This is the central hub for all information related to this machine. Each equipment page can contain an unlimited number of work instructions and SOPs, preferably in video format, but of course we also support text, photos, attachments, and links. Many of our clients start uploading existing PDF training materials or one-point learnings, visually executed work instructions in the form of a comic strip, and gradually video content is added. If we zoom in on the information for this work instruction, we see the version history, the latest revision date, and who is responsible for approving this content. This helps Poka customers with ISO compliance because documents are easy to follow and manage. Jeff will be notified when instructions are corrected, updated, and republished. By clicking on the tab, Unwatched, of the work instruction page, he will get a filtered view of the new work instructions that he has yet to view. When we return to the equipment page, Jeff finds solutions to potential problems. They are similar to instructions, but they describe both the problem and the solution. This allows Jeff to solve the problem quickly and without the help of others. This way, he can get production going again within a few minutes, which is a valuable time saver. What we see here is a filtered view of the news feed where this equipment is tagged and centralized. All critical events such as downtime, maintenance, etc. are recorded here. This source becomes a gold mine of information that provides performance engineers with all the insights for improvement opportunities. Here you will also find the production settings. This is the place to save standard or product-specific machine settings as quick references. As before, Jeff can scan a product barcode and instantly retrieve the parameters he needs to perform a product change. The Experts tab shows a list of colleagues who know this equipment best and have the most experience in solving any problems. If we look at the equipment information, we see the exponential advantage that Poka has for larger, globally operating organizations with multiple factories that use the same kind of machines. Using the machine manufacturer's model number, you can easily standardize work instructions across multiple locations, ensuring the best practice and results from one factory are shared live. If operator Jeff can't find the answer to his question, he can switch to the factory feed and send a virtual call for help. This is a special type of news item that alerts all experts just mentioned that there is a problem. Since Jeff was able to share photos and videos of the problem, the team can quickly work together to find a solution, often remotely. Once a solution is found for this problem, it can be added to the knowledge base. Back to the factory feed. This communication channel can also be used for end-of-shift or meeting reports, health and safety reminders, or updates between departments. For example, work orders can be automatically created in a maintenance system so that maintenance and problems are signaled and reported. Finally, let's take a look at the platform's training and skills capabilities. One of the significant differences between Poka and traditional learning management systems is that we give supervisors, HR, and the operators the opportunity to oversee, monitor, and manage their learning development. Jeff can click on his skills at any time to see his assigned training and where he is in terms of mastering those assigned skills. If we dive deeper into a random skill, you will see that they are all multi-step training programs. Each program is built from instructions and content in Poka, but there are also links to content outside of Poka, and you can even include exams. Once Jeff has completed each step, he can ask his supervisor for approval, who can see precisely how Jeff performed the tasks. I now switch to my browser and log in as production supervisor Samuel to show how you can use Poka to manage the skills and training programs for your employees. Recent research shows that 60% of manufacturing companies still use paper or Excel to track their workforce skills. Obviously, this is not efficient. It is difficult to follow and share. At a glance, Samuel sees all skills and where the team stands in terms of competence in those areas. If Lisa has called in sick and Samuel needs another operator to start production, he can filter the view to see only specific roles and lines. The skill matrix shows him that Isaac's skill has expired. Jesse and Isabella are only at level 2 and are not allowed to start the line, but Jeff is able to start production. The red dots indicate which operators are late with their retraining on specific procedures, and the green dots indicate who has requested approval for a skill. In this way, management and employees are able to manage and monitor their skills without depending on others in the field of learning and development. Call or email us to discover how Poka can increase performance and productivity within your organization.